worked for BMW for about 10 years, riding a lot of the models, especially the GS range. And I thought with the new Rali X coming out, it'd be a great opportunity to tick a box and race Fink and see if we can get a 1200 GS to the finish, something that I don't think's been done before. So we're here at Park 4MX motocross track because it's a great place to test the bike, see how it works on the rough terrain. There's some jumps, there's some bumps, some berms, it gets a bit sandy. Fink's a long way away, so it's great to check the bike out before we go. Took a standard bike, made a few minor adjustments. These little pads on the back that help you rest as you're standing up. It takes a bit of stress off the upper body. Extra long foot pegs with real sharp tips so the boots grip on. We extended the rear brake a bit higher because when you're leaning back it gives you a bit better access. We've got these lightweight valve cover protectors. Really sexy lightweight acro muffler. Makes a great note, makes it a bit lighter. It's oversized grips called grip puppies, just give you more padding and more cushioning for 500 k's of whoops, and some trick little billet aluminium brake levers that are nice and neat and curved for your fingertips. The Pirelli Scorpion Rali rubber is one of the most aggressive off-road tyres for adventure bikes, and that's going to hook up really well in the sand. This adjustable gear lever lets me set up the gear lever for the right length and right height. On the front of the bike we've got the headlight protector, radiator guards and an adjustable steering damper just to give the front end a little bit more stability in the rough terrain. So 15 days from my home in Melbourne, Alice Springs, Fink, Simpson Desert, Birdsville and back home. Should be a lot of fun.